Hello everyone and welcome to episode 25 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Prateek, founder of MakeForms, and today we will see how you can send out email notifications once you have received a form submission. So let's say there can be a scenario wherein you want to receive a copy of the submission as soon as someone fills out the form. And it's very easy to do that in MakeForms. So we'll take a quick look at how you can configure it. So what you will do is that you will go to the form settings, and in the form settings you will see an option that says send email notification. So you will turn that on. So this is an email notification that goes out to the someone who is member of the workspace or who needs a copy of this entire form submission. So as soon as you turn on, there are two options. The number one option is the workspace members. So here you can decide which workspace member do you want to send this notification to. And then the second option is to send to an external member. So let's say I have an external member who is not part of this workspace. So I can send it to them. So as soon as you add an external member, they will get an email notification wherein they need to verify that they are okay receiving the email notification. So as soon as you go ahead and you uh, verify the invite to accept the notifications, which I just did from my mobile. So I will refresh this. And now when I go, and you can see that my invitation to pratikgela@gmail.com to receive email notification for every submission is verified. So now the system will send out emails every time there is a email notification, every time there is a submission coming in. Now this is the reply to email. This is the email to which the user will be replying to. So let's say Pratik Gela is receiving this notification and they want to reply. So Pratik at makestorage.io will be the reply to email address. So this is completely optional. You can just remove it. Now, let's say you want to send a thank you message to the person who is filling up the form. So that particular thing comes under autoresponder. So you will turn this on, and as soon as you turn it on, you will see that you will get this particular option to draft your autoresponder email. So send mail to email. So this is the email field that we have on our form. So if you have, let's say, multiple email addresses, then you can select which email do you want to send a thank you message to. So you can say thank you for inquiring with MakeForms, and over here you can say thank you, and then let's say if you want to use a first full name, thank you for inquiring with us. We will get back to you on your email, which is the email address, and we will save this. So this way you can set the autoresponder. So autoresponder is for those people who are filling up the form. It's to send a message to them, and the email notification is for sending the copy of the entire form to those people who are either the part of this workspace, or if they're not the part of the workspace, you need to add them into the external mails. They will verify the invite to receive these notifications, and once they are verified, the system will start sending emails to them every time the form is filled up. So that's it. This is how you will send the notification emails and the autoresponders for the person who is filling the form. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being part of this amazing journey. Today we've completed 25 episodes, and soon will be it will be 1 month since I started this series. Again, I please ask you to like, share, and subscribe to make forms, and let me know in comments below what kind of forms are you looking, what are your challenges when you're creating a form, whether you are a make forms user or not. I will try my best to help you out, of course, with make forms. Thank you guys. Pratik here from MakeForms. Bye bye.